of June of 2025, I'm going to be making a Baskin Robbins ice cream on top of a donut, King donut. And I'm gonna try it out and see how great it is. Hasn't been done before well, I think in recorded history. Maybe, like, ever. So I'm gonna try it out.
I might get in a different bag of chocolate one as well, please. Cotton tea.
Quite heavy. Today is the first ever time of me eating a Baskin Robbins ice cream on top of a King donut. Fabulous. Good. So given by a taste test, I think I rated about, in actual sense, possibly a 7 out of 10 or 8.6 out of 10, or maybe just, good sense, 10 out of 10.